Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. And as always, I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, it's gonna be a really good one. There's a big box right behind me. And as you can see the logo, it's about that time. Let's go. All right, you guys, so first things first, today's video is sponsored by AWE Exhaust. And if you guys have not heard of AWE by any chance, I'm gonna leave the link in the description where you guys can check them out. Those guys are by far the best sounding exhaust company that I have gone with for my 2018 CAMARO ZL1, and I encourage you guys to go ahead and check them out as well. This setup right here, those guys are gonna be now officially teamed up with myself and with the ZL1, and they have fully sponsored the car, and I'm very, very grateful. I got tons of videos coming. I've been very picky and choosy on what kind of sound I'm looking for, and I really appreciate them because when I did contact them and call them the first time, on the first go around, I was telling them my goal. So they have a couple of different versions that you can go with, and I went with a specific setup where what I'm gonna do for you guys today is unbox this first because I have to set up the appointment to actually go get this installed, and then I'm gonna break down for you guys what we got planned coming up for the future to add to this exhaust. Now, between those two different setups that I'm mentioning, you have the track edition where it's pretty much just straight piped all the way down. You could pick no resonators, no nothing, none of that stuff, secondary cat delete, and you're just talking raw American muscle. You know what I mean? So I wanted that setup. I really did want that setup, but big shout out to AWE because, you know, they asked me, they said, you know, are you planning on putting headers on the car? And I said, I am planning on putting headers on the car, a smaller pulley headers, and then get a tune on the car. And then he said, okay, if you're planning on putting headers on, I recommend you should get the Touring Edition because you have the Track Edition, you have the Touring Edition. You should get the Touring Edition, which comes with mufflers on there, but by all means, it is not quiet. He's like, the moment you step on it, it opens up and it sounds pretty much exactly like the Track Edition. The difference is with this one here, it's kind of toned down a little bit more when you're driving around, just a tad toned down, and it has no drone. With the Track Edition, you're building your car just like it says, Track Edition, right? So you're probably gonna have a little bit of drone in it, but there's a lot of people that are so used to having that loud muscle car cam sound or, you know, loud straight piped exhaust setup that they don't even hear the drone anymore. So in my case, I said, hey, let's go with your recommendation. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the Touring Edition, which comes with 4.5-inch tips. And with these tips, you can have two different options as well. You can go with the chrome quad tips that are on there, which that's the ones I opted in for, or you can do the Black Diamond Edition, which, man, believe me, it was a very tough choice. I really wanted that Black Diamond Edition because it's just different. But my entire car is black on black, pretty much. It's all blacked out. And I want you to be able to see those AWE tips just pop, if you guys know what I'm talking about. So I have a vision of what I'm trying to do with the car, kind of like what I did with Optimus. And I'm trying to take this to like a Track Edition version look of the car where it just pops from the back and you can see it. But either way, I just kind of wanted to break that down for you guys and tell you the different types of exhaust that they have. And again, I'm really, really grateful. They did surprise me and deliver this way sooner than I thought. Now, keep in mind, there was 4,000 orders ahead of me when I spoke to them back in September. And it was literally a blessing for me because it was like 2 days before or 2 days after my birthday. And that sponsorship just happened to happen like that. And it's amazing how we came together because I'm gonna post a lot of videos on this on YouTube and on my Instagram and my TikTok page. I just feel like there's videos out there, but not enough. There's a lot of people out there that are debating on these forums to see which exhaust to go with. And I just feel like there's not enough videos. So I'm gonna be that guy to deliver it for you so you guys can check out the sound with this setup. Enough talking. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna put this over here in the shade somewhere. I'm gonna pick a spot and then I'm gonna open up the box and let's take a look at what it looks like in there and what exactly I opted in for so you guys can see the setup that we're gonna put on the ZL1. Let's go. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got in there. Oh my God. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so the setup that I have with this Touring Edition has 3-inch pipes all the way through. It's a full Catback system, and it also has deleted resonators on there, and I have a secondary cat delete setup. So I already have the secondary cat delete on mine, so they asked me, do you have secondary cat delete? I said, yes, I do. I want it to be nice and loud. First things first, there is the first muffler right here, and for the ZL1, it's got the quad tip setup on there. If you have an SS that has the single tips, you can go ahead and get that also for your SS, which, man, this is really nice. It's got the official stamp right here with AWE, and if I'm not mistaken, yep, it has a serial number on there. So you have your stamp with your serial number where you know you got the actual AWE setup. Now, man, this is very clean, very nice setup. All right, so the car cover is gonna come in clutch right now, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and put the parts there on top of my car cover that covers the ZL1, so that way I don't scratch them or anything like that as we're going through this box. So we're gonna put these right over here. Very nice welds too. I'm looking for, of course, you're gonna have all your pipes, right? You're gonna have pipes and stuff like that in here. These are all 3-inch pipes all the way through, right? You guys know what pipes look like, so I'm looking for that. Oh my God. All right, so inside of the box, what you're gonna get, of course, I gotta put this on the car. Your install guide is waiting. So there's a little barcode right here to tell you exactly how to install it. If you don't know how to install something like this, I'm gonna be taking it to a shop. You could do this from the house. People do these installs all day long, but I'm gonna be taking it to my boy Chris, Muffler Masters of Avondale. He does all my exhaust work for both of my Camaros, and I'm gonna take it straight to him. Now, inside the box, you have your AWE 4.5-inch quad tips. The most important piece that I waited for this box to get here was right over here on this side, which is the lollipop. Something about this right here is like a little treat from AWE that literally stands out to me. I don't know why a lollipop will get your attention so much, but literally I was telling everybody that I ordered the exhaust when I had placed the order. I said I can't wait for these to get here because I want that lollipop that it comes with so I could shoot it in the YouTube video. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on some gloves and take out one of the exhaust tips so I can show you what it looks like. Oh God. Yeah, these are huge tips compared to the factory setup. Very nice, and it has the AWE stamp on there so that way you can't miss what brand these are. What I really like about these also is to clean these once you clamp them on, right, and you put them on the mufflers. When you want to clean these, instead of trying to fight it to go inside and go around, you can literally unscrew them, take these off, put them in a bucket of soap and water, and clean these up inside out all the way through so they always look spotless. And it's literally one screw that's going to be holding. That's absolutely amazing. I can't wait to put these on. Again, big shout out to AWE. This by far to me is the nicest looking exhaust tip as well, because nothing against all the other brands. When I was looking at the other brands, I like their, sound that they make, but the design of the tips for what I was looking for, this is exactly what I wanted for the car. Man, that's gonna look good. I was gonna put it next to it right now, but let's see if I can compare the difference right next to the factory ones real quick. Again, this is the factory design right here from GM, and then you got these right here, which are gonna look really, really good. And that's why I wanted them to be chrome with the black paint and then the chrome tips. It's just gonna look amazing on here. Man, I cannot wait to get these installed. It's gonna be loud, and I'm waiting for the pops. I've heard these have some pops in them when you rev it, so I'm hoping for the downshifts to have those nice little pops as well, but I can't wait to put these on. Beautiful, I love it. Now, inside of here, what also is gonna come inside of the box is your clamps, all your hardware, everything that you're gonna need, which again, I'm gonna be giving all this to my guy, Chris, and he's gonna be installing all of it, putting it all on. Now, what's really, really nice about this exhaust also, if I can get this it has the AWE bracket right in the center. So when you're behind the car looking from under, you'll see that stamp right here that it's AWE between the two pipes. I love that. All right, you guys, so that wraps up today's video. I'm really excited about installing this exhaust. I'm pretty sure you guys are just waiting to see what it sounds like, especially if you've been in the market trying to figure out which sound is gonna be the best sound for yourself. And I'm telling you, you guys will love this setup. Now, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and set up an appointment so I can get this installed. I got the box already packaged up, ready to go. I'm just gonna keep it inside the house for now until I can get my appointment set up. And then from there, what I'm gonna do is when I get to the actual muffler shop, I'm gonna obviously unbox everything there again, and I'm gonna show you guys even more in detail what's in that box and how the pipes look and everything else, and then once it's installed as well. So be sure to tune in for that video. Now for this video, that pretty much wraps it up. Again, I really appreciate AWE for teaming up with me, and that way we can work together. I'm super excited. I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below so you guys can check that out. I'm gonna leave a card up top so you can see the most recent video with the Apex wheels. Now that was another sponsorship that happened recently for the ZL1, so I'm very excited. You know, I always had this vision, and I always prayed and hoped and wished that once I got the ZL1 in the future, you know, back then how I was always thinking and preparing myself, I always said it would be nice because I know the sponsors are all just waiting so that way I can get, you know, the ZL1 and they can get their hands on it and we can build this thing and take it to the track. So that's literally what we're doing now. So it's amazing. It's a blessing. Remember, stay working hard, stay humble, and be patient, and I'm telling you, you'll do the same thing that I'm doing right now. So either way, if it's your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think of this setup. Are you excited to see it? And if so, what setup do you currently have? My goal is to put headers, pulley, tune with this exhaust on top of it all. This exhaust without all that sounds really good. I can't wait to hear what it sounds like with everything else. That's gonna be in another video. But in the meantime, between time, you guys know the drill. Hey, Dilla, bow, Superman, right there behind me, prime time, chilling in the garage. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.